Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I purchased from Planner Kate in the month of September. So I did 2 orders and they both came on the same day, which is kind of funny. But my first order was for my November kits. So in case you don't know, Planner Kate releases new releases like for months, 2 months in advance. So in September, she released, in August, she released her kits for November. So in September, she'll release kits for December. So that's how it works. So, of course, with your order, you get 5 freebies. And so the first freebie that you always get is the Planner Kate sticker. And I've got like a bajillion of these, so it's not like I need any more. And then the freebies that I got are this really cute script sticker thing, some arrow or flag like quarter boxes, these which are appointment labels, which this is my first time getting this one, and then I also got these 3 checklists, 3-box checklist, and then I also got some hydration stickers. So those are my freebies, and I was really excited to see ones that I hadn't received before. So my first thing that I got was my monthly kit for November, which I did this monthly kit, which is called Fall Foliage. So this is sheet F, which is the EC monthly sheet 1. And I really liked the pumpkins. I was gonna get the one with the turkeys, but then I really thought about it and I really like the ones with the pumpkins. So this is sheet 1, and then I also did get sheet 2. So sheet 1 has like the headers and the days and the date dots, and some script stickers and some appointment labels and stuff like that. And then this is washi. And then the EC monthly sheet 2 comes with the days that are not in the month, the sidebar, some more appointment labels, some icons, and more washi. So I'm just really excited to use this because this is also the month that I hopefully will be giving birth. I say hopefully because my due date is the 26th, and I unfortunately probably will go into the month of December. So, but those were my monthly kit. And then the first actual kit that I got, and I only got mini kits this time because I just really liked the mini kits. So this first one is mini kit 71, which is Harvest. And I love the colors. It's kind of hard to tell if this is picking up on camera, but this is a very dark chocolate brown here. And I just loved the full boxes and the washi. So this is the full box header sheet for the mini kit, and then this is the sampler sheet, which is sheet A. So I just love those blue pumpkins. I don't know. It's just so pretty. So that was the first mini kit that I got. The second mini kit that I got was mini kit 64, which was called Thank You. And I think this might be the kit that I use on actual Thanksgiving, I think. So here's the full box header sheet, and I just love that full box. It's so pretty, and I love the colors. It's very muted, like browns and yellows, and so pretty. So full box header sheet, of course, and then this is the personal sampler sheet, or the hourly personal sampler sheet. So I just loved, look at this washi. It says thank you. I don't know. I just loved the colors and how muted it was, and it's not your normal oranges like in your face oranges, you know, Thanksgiving colors. So that was the second. And then my third and final mini kit that I ordered is mini kit 70, which is called Fall Watercolor. And this is a different take on fall, I think, because it's got this really light, almost like steely gray blue is the main color. And then it's got the leaves in some of these full boxes. But I just loved how it's going to incorporate the blue from the Erin Condren planner into this kit. So this was the full box header sheet. And then here is the personal sampler sheet. And I just love this washi. It's so beautiful. I'm excited to use all of these like more unexpected colors for Thanksgiving. So, and then the last sheet that I purchased in this order is sheet S512, and this is a deco sheet. And this just has, it's just a normal Thanksgiving deco sheet. And I figured I could use like the Happy Thanksgiving and just kind of decorate the actual day of Thanksgiving. Because this will go with like that muted kit tone, like pretty well, like the browns will, and with the pops of red. But yes, I'm just excited to be able to use this, and I'll probably also use this on my monthly view as well. So my second order, Kate moved some kits from, I think it was March, or no, April, May, and I don't know, April and May, I think, into the sale section of her shop. And I, of course, immediately when I saw that post on her Facebook group, ran over to her site and picked up some kits that, a couple that I wasn't able to fit into my planner this year, and a couple that I was able to, but I really wanted to be able to stockpile a little bit for next year. So, of course, the freebies. So here is my Planner Kate sticker. And then I also got some appointment labels with the asterisks, some rainbow quarter boxes, the squiggle dividers, I think they're called, the book quote sheet, and another sheet of these script stickers, which I'm going to love using, especially this nap time when my son is born. So those were the freebies I got. And so this, let me go through and pull out the sheets that are not part of kits. So the first thing that I bought was this Dorky Doodles collab sheet. And this is called, it's just called Birthday Planner Stickers. And I figured that I could just decorate the day that my son is born using these stickers, like Time to Party and this cute little chick sitting on the cupcake, just to signify that he was born. Because I haven't found a kit that I like to signify like his birth, if that makes any sense. So I figured I could use some of these and call it good in my planner. So I got that. And then he will be going to daycare in the new year, so I got a full sheet of these. They are called Daycare Mini Label Stickers. So this is my finger, and that's about how big they are. They'll fit perfectly in the monthly view, and I figured this would be a good way to track of when I need to pay daycare. So I got that. And now here are the kits that I purchased on sale. So 2 of them I used this past year, and 2 of them I did not. So the first one that I did not use is Kit 65, and this is called March Floral. So it's this really pretty black, pink, and like, I don't even know what color that is. It's like a very light tealy blue. It's more teal like especially over here in the flowers, it's more teal. So I picked up the the EC vertical sheet, because some of these were already sold out when I went to go purchase it from the sales section. So this is the EC vertical because it's got the headers. So, and it's been a while since I've planned with this sort of sheet versus the personal sampler sheet. So, and then here are the full boxes to go along with that kit. I like the black and the blue. And the pink. It's just so pretty. So that was my first kit from that order. And my second kit is the other kit that I wasn't able to fit in. And this is kit 74, and it's called Tropical. So here are the full boxes and half boxes. And I love the watermelon. Like, this screams summer to me. So I'm excited to be able to use it next year in my planner. So this is the full box, half box sheet, and then this is the personal hourly sampler. So I was able to get this kit in this format. So I'm excited to use this. I just love the watermelon washi. And then these other two kits I did use in my planner. So this first kit is kit 73C. Kit 73, which is navy floral stripe. And so it's this beautiful black, white, and pink kit with the headers. So this is the EC vertical sheet. And I'm just excited to use this again. I loved the full boxes. So here's the full boxes. And I just love the stripes and the watercolor and the florals. And it just makes me so happy, this kit. So that's that kit. And the last kit that I got was kit 69, which is called Purple and Teal. So here is the full box, half box sheet. It's just a geometric teal and purple, essentially. And then here is the hourly personal sheet. So that is my order for September. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked my haul video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, I do Plan With Me's every Monday. So feel free to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.